the moment you believe you're a creator of anything in any sense, your esteem goes higher. I did that. I just did that. If you really want to take what you're doing to the next level, you've got to take everything. When you're not sketching and you're walking as an artist, everything catches your attention. And that's the buzz of plein air painting. Plein air painting is like the paradise for the sketcher.
You want it to feel fresh, alive, bouncy, with a lot of immediacy and energy.
You're looking at something, you're capturing it as it is, as quick as possible, trying to capture the light, the effect, the mood at that point in time. And one thing you have to do, don't give up, because that's the way you rise. You rise through refusals, you rise through rejections. When you develop that friendship with rejection and it becomes part of you, you'd know it with yourself, you've arrived.